Hello, I'm Darcy from Lumos Learning, and in this video, I will be sharing some useful tools and information to help you improve your reading and vocabulary skills. The passage I have chosen for this demonstration is suitable for students in the 7th grade. Let me just open this speech on the Lumos Learning website. By the way, you can find the link to the page in the description. This excerpt is from a speech given by President Ronald Reagan called Address the Nation from the Challenger. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd planned to speak to you tonight to report on the State of the Union, but the events of earlier today have led me to change those plans. Today is a day for mourning and remembering. Nancy and I are pained to the core by the tragedy of the shuttle Challenger. We know we share this pain with all of the people of our country. This is truly a national loss. 19 years ago, almost to the day, we lost 3 astronauts in a terrible accident on the ground. But we've never lost an astronaut in flight. We've never had a tragedy like this. And perhaps we've forgotten the courage it took for the crew of the shuttle, but they, the Challenger 7, were aware of the dangers but overcame them and did their jobs brilliantly. So as you can see, while I'm reading, certain words are underlined. What you can do is simply click on an underlined word like mourning and view the meaning that pops up. In this case, the word mourning means the expression of deep sorrow for someone who has died, typically involving following certain conventions such as wearing black clothes. Now, let's say you want to practice one of the words from the story or learn more about it. Well, you can simply click on that word in the right side menu. This opens a fun and easy tool called FlashCube that helps you fully explore a word. Let's take a look. Here you can learn the definition, a person who explores an unfamiliar area, an adventurer. Hear the pronunciation,
explorer.
See what part of speech it is, in this case a noun. View the word as an example, a polar explorer. Plus, you can also add the word to your word list by creating an account. Just follow the instructions on the screen. I'd also like you to use this View Passage button where you can see the word that you just learned in the passage. There's a coincidence today. On this day, 390 years ago, the great explorer, Sir Francis Drake, died aboard ship off the coast of Panama. Last but not least, another amazing feature is that you can actually upload an image of the word that you just learned, and that way you can make some notes and save the image and refer to it later. As you can see, it's fun, super easy, and a great way to learn new words, and there are thousands of resources available on the platform. So what are you waiting for? Head over to the link in the description and read President Reagan's famous speech and become a fluent reader, all while learning about an important time in our history. I'll be back soon with another story or passage. Stay tuned.